New roses from David Austin just got delivered yesterday. So we're gonna get everything ready. First we're gonna take them out of the boxes here and put them into the water so the roots can get hydrated, and then we're gonna start the planting. All the roses that we plant here at PV are coming from David Austin, which is an English rose maker or rose breeder that started like in the 1960s. They actually been provided roses for Queen Elizabeth, and again the quality of the rose and the shape of them are very unique and different. So all the roses that we have here in the property are all coming from David Austin. Highly recommended. They are wonderful. Alright, I have all the tools ready. Now we're going to go ahead and clean up all that space. Obviously, that's all the leaves and everything from that fell through the winter, so we're gonna clean that up. I'm gonna remove a couple of trees here, and we're going to align all the brand new roses here. So the idea is to have all that rectangle space here will be cornered in English roses. I think it's going to be beautiful. We use Osmocote Plus, which is a slow release fertilizer for flowers and roses. We absolutely love this thing, it always worked well. So sprinkle a couple, and that should be enough. Alright, while I'm cleaning the space up here, I'm gonna add some fertilizer for all the ones that I planted late last year. Those, actually, you can tell, have been growing, still small, so they just need a little bit of help here. So I'm gonna keep on cleaning everything here, feeding those roses, so they are ready for the spring. Alright, we've done some good progress here. Clean everything up, put some fertilizer and new dirt, and so the whole row here is pretty much ready. So that's the alley coming outside of the fountain. So the plan here, the 4 new roses that we got from David Austin, I'm going to plant them on that row here. There's a couple of gaps, so I'm gonna fill them in. Gonna clean up everything. I have the lavenders as well that needs to be trimmed a little bit. Those guys are way too high, so we're gonna trim them as well. And we're gonna put the new roses here in the back. So let's get going. All right, I just added some of the slow release fertilizer at the bottom of the lavenders here, something that you want to do in spring. Cover with some soil, and that should provide solid growth for the season. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then we're gonna start digging for the roses. Clean up the weeds. And now we're gonna put some fresh soil. Sprinkle those around. Some here. Okay. Dig in the same alignment. Approximately here. Actually have to dig a little wider because roses have large roots. All right, this one is called Astasia, and it's a beautiful pink color. I might have to make that a little bit bigger. There we go. Yeah, it's actually good centered. Let me push that back in. Now we're gonna okay. Make sure that you tuck it in, almost leaving a little circle around it. And we're gonna put some additional fertilizers. More compost, and then we'll make sure that we're watering. There you go. Beautiful. There you go. That is it. One done. All right, the new roses are planted. There you go. Everything is done here. Nice and healthy. There you go. All right, so now I'm going to water them. All right, that's a wrap today. So post-winter season, clearing up, planting roses, clearing the bushes, fertilizing, and I think that was a good one. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much for following along, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.